4 बज गए और पार्टी किधर है पार्टी इधर है but here's the thing 4 बजे बहुत भूख लगती है I feel like eating I feel like snacking on something I get the hunger pangs at that point because my lunch is digested so what do you do for 4 p.m. hunger?
Coffee?
Carafe of wine? Yes, I'll take that. Along with this coffee, what do you suggest to beat my hunger pangs?
What I really love with the coffee is palm jaggery bar.
Okay.
And I like to eat it like a dip biscuits.
Oh, chai biscuit ki tarah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you get your fiber in
Yes.
and you get good flavor in.
See, I've tried all your bars before I came here and I have to tell you this one's my favorite. So if I dip it in my favorite beverage, I mean nothing like it.
Sone pe suhaga.
Bilkul. It's the sweet and the dark, strong, which make a really good combination.
Yeah, it's the rawness of the sugar, which is from the palm. So it's the palm jaggery, and
This bar
just gives
is
you.
just so delicious. But this combination is lethal. It's fantastic.
Yeah, so I'm going to make sure that you always have your palm jaggery bars. So for that, I have got a little pouch, which I call the anywhere, everywhere, all the time, everywhere, and you can stuff that in with the bars. And you can even stuff other things like maybe your cutlery.
That's right.
Or maybe your charging
Oh, you know
thing.
what?
So if you have your charger, which
That's
charges your
the charger
gadgets,
for my phone.
and you
That's
have
the
the
charger for me.
you.
Oh my God, this is the charging pouch. This
Yeah.
is a fantastic idea. I really like it.
You can then also like put in your own combination, right?
Yes.
And you know the thing is, I made it this way so that's nice and slim and discreet, and without mama saying too much and bothering the kids or your husband. It just goes, and
You know,
the next time when you get that call,
it's a
say,
good
"Are
plan
you
for
hungry?"
my 8-year-old son as well. Because if I put a pouch like this in his bag, he'll also have something that will, keep him going.
Yes.
For times when he feels like snacking on something, and it shouldn't be something unhealthy. It's something like this which will, give him the energy he requires for the rest of the day. So,
And
you think the palm jaggery one goes really well with
coffee,
your son's coffee,
and I
all
think
black
the
coffee.
oat almond one goes well with tea.
Okay.
So
There is one more. You have chia seed, and that one goes well with.
I'll let your imagination run
Can
wild.
I suggest something?
Yes, but
Don't think badly of me.
no.
No?
No.
You won't?
No.
So this one with coffee, that one with,
With
chai, this one with maybe gin or whiskey.
You're really getting good at this.
Cheers!
Cheers! Yeah, good combination.